Hello people, welcome to my channel Physio Guide by Divya. Today I am going to teach about fetal development step by step from first month to 9th month development process. Okay, let's start our video. Fetal development, it's a process in which a human embryo, fetus, gestates, means carry womb during pregnancy from fertilization until birth. Okay. Now what is the period of this fetus? Means from ninth week till birth there will be development of this baby. Now in first week the zygote, in this the fertilized egg reaches the uterus and attaches itself to the uterus. Here cell, as a result cell will get multiplication begins and internal organs and circulatory system also begins to form in this stage only. This is at the end of the second week. The zygote is in the size of the pinhead. It is in the size of the pinhead size it will be. Okay. Now in the second month we'll see at fifth week the embryo is a 1/4 inch long. All major organ systems develop. The placenta and the umbilical cord develops. Amniotic fluid surrounds the baby. Face and the limbs takes shape. Okay. Now next in the third month the fetus is about 1 inch. The fetus is about 1 inch long. Nostrils, nose, mouth, lips, teeth, buds and eyelids form in this stage only. Fingers and the toes are almost complete. Eyelids are fused shut, means closed. And all internal organs are present but they aren't in function. Okay. The genital organs also can be recognized as male or female also. In this third month only we can recognize by blood test like that. Okay. Now fourth month fetal is about 3 inch long and weight is about 5 ounces. The baby is covered with a layer of thick downy hair called lanugo. Okay. The heartbeat can be heard clearly in this stage. The woman feels the first kick here. In this fourth month the baby can suck, thumb, swallow and hiccup. Okay. In this fourth month. In fifth month the fetus is about 6 inch long and weight is about 4 to 5 ounces. The protective coating called vernix begins to form in the baby's skin here. Vernix. And hair, eyelashes, eyebrows appears and organs keep maturing, okay, developing, and fetus is very active in this stage. The eyes are open and blink. Okay, the baby blinks also. Now in sixth month the fetus is 8 to 10 inches long and weight is about 4 to 5 ounces. The baby lungs are filled with amniotic fluid inside and it starts breathing motion. Okay. Now fat start depositing under the skin, so the skin becomes thick. Now in the seventh month the fetus is about 10 to 20 inches long and weight about 1 to 2 pounds. Now fetus is active in this stage, then active and then rest. Okay. Now baby now uses the four senses like vision, hearing, taste and touch. Okay. Now in 8th month the fetus is about 14 to 16 inches long and weight is about 2 to 3 pounds. Layers of fat are piling on. Fetus may react to noises with a jerky actions. Okay. When they heard noise they give a jerk like that. In the 9th stage the fetus is ready for delivery. In this the fetus is about 17 to 18 inches long and weight is about 5 to 6 pounds. Skin is smooth because of the fat deposition under the skin. Baby movements slow down due to lack of the room. There will be no place due to baby growth. Baby movements also decreases. When the baby moves downwards in the pelvis, lightening occurs. Okay, this is the end of the topic fetal development from first month to 9th month. Hope you understood this topic.